Hey everyone, and welcome back to Economics. And my name is Teacher Z. And for today's questions, I'm taking it from the IGCSE Accounting, dated February March 2024. Okay, so let me change my cursor here into blue. So the question is about calculating the discount. Okay, so you will be presented with two discount, which is the trade discount and the cash discount. Trade discount only applies when the customer bought more than 20 items, and the discount that will be given is 10%. As for cash discount, only applies if the customer pays within 30 days, and the discount that will be given is 4%. Let's take a look at the question itself. A business sold goods with a list price of $50 each. This is the selling price. Selling price. Okay, the terms of trade, as already mentioned before, and then how much was received in full settlement from customer who bought 25 items and paid after 35 days. Okay, so from the information that we gathered, the customer bought 35 items. So the customer is already eligible for discount of 10%. Okay, because he bought 25 items, which the requirement is only 20 items, and then paid after 35 days. So the cash discount doesn't apply to this customer because he already paid after 30 days, which is 5 days more. So the discount of the cash discount 4% doesn't apply. All right, so we now know the initial information. So we just calculate the total number of sales that the business got, which is the selling price $50 multiplied by the number of items that the customers bought, which is 25 items. So we arrive with the number of $1,250. Okay, so how much discount that the customer will receive? So $1,250 multiplied by 10% discount is equal to 125. So the business will receive in full settlement for $1,250 minus $125, the discount. So it could arrive to the number of $1,125. So C would be the correct answer. Okay, so I hope that will help you to understand this concept, and let me know in the comment if you want another topic to be discussed. Until then, take care, stay safe, and don't forget to like and subscribe this account. Okay, see you in another video. Ciao.